In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a water hose to your shower head. So your first thought might be, that's kind of weird, why would you want to do that? Well, in my specific scenario, it makes a lot of sense. In my backyard, I don't have a water spigot, and my bathroom is right up against my backyard just through this window. And I don't need a water hose often since I'm in Colorado and everything's just crushed granite. But occasionally I do need a water hose back there. The dogs will make a mess and I need to clean that up, or maybe we need to spray out a carpet shampooer and I need some high pressure water to clean it out, and I don't want to do it inside in the bathtub. So I found a pretty easy method in order to achieve this goal. So let's define some initial information. So this is a shower head. I've already taken this off, so that's why it's spinning very easily. But I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this so that you can see the shower faucet. So I got some Teflon on there to help ensure that I have a good seal. And you can notice right here that when you have a water hose, it's gonna be too large. You see how the threading is just, there's too much open gap. So what you need to do is get an adapter. So I was looking on Amazon, thanks to my wife's brilliant idea of putting an adapter on, and I actually found one. It's such a specialized part, I didn't know if people actually make it, but I got this. This is brass, and you can see the threading right here. This goes onto the faucet. This part goes on right here. And it came with this little O-ring that I'm going to push down into the threading of the water hose. This helps ensure that there's a good fit so that water doesn't spray everywhere. And then next, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this on. Okay, so now I've connected it. And then in my scenario, all I need to do is, open up this little window here, then take out my screen, and then I feed my water hose through there, and I now have high pressure water in the back. I need to clean a couple things, so I'm actually gonna remove this now. Okay, so now I've got the screen out. I'm just gonna go ahead and feed this water hose through the window. Okay, got the hose pushed through the window. So now I can also use hot water as well, which will be good for what I need to do with that, so the water only comes through the hose. All right, and the hose goes through the window. And now I have hot water. Just what I need, because I'm going to be cleaning out these yucky devices that we have that really need some hot water, and I don't want to have the output of what we've captured inside of these cleaners to be inside the home. So I'll just empty it out back here. All right, I just finished spraying out my appliances that I needed to clean, carpet shampoo and upholstery cleaner. So now the process is very simple. Just get the water off, drain that out, depressurize the hose, open that up and let it spray. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove from up here. Once I have the hose removed, make sure the adapter is off. Keep the hose and the adapter together, that way you don't lose it. Then I'll fix up the window, put the shower head back on, and everything's back the way it was. I hope that was helpful for you. Maybe it gave you a creative solution on how to, get a water hose in a location of your home where you don't have a spigot, especially if you need hot water. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.